how do you stay motivated after a sale you spent a lot of time and energy on falls through? That's a great question too, Jane, because when a sale falls through, a great salesperson feels, number one, I failed. That's the right thing. Rotten salespeople say, oh, stupid customer was just looking. Stupid customer picked up their phone. Stupid customer. That's a recipe for a cynical culture in your store, which is never good. So I always look at first, holy crap, what did I do? I know there's times when I miss a sale. On a conversation, when I'm talking to a client, maybe I was too hard, maybe I was too soft, maybe I pushed a little hard, and I start unpacking it and saying, what could I have done better? Maybe I didn't listen to the client enough. Oh, when I mentioned that one thing, that was a key that he was telling me, and I didn't address that. So I always start with that. And then I go back to my wonderful sales formula, which is SW, SW, SWN. Some will, some won't. So what next? At the end of the day, your opportunity starts over with the person walking in the door. If that doesn't work for you, I will go out in the back. I will into a warehouse or something, and I'll play shooting imaginary basketball hoops in the air so that I can reset my mind, or I'll go for a walk, or I'll do something other than ruminate on it, because otherwise, the past is the past. You have to give up the hope that it could have been any different and just move on. Having said that, whatever you learn when you're examining your own sales process, you can share with your crew and say, so I just want to unpack this and let you, understand what I'm thinking, and maybe you can give me some pointers as well. You don't have to be the guy at the top that has every answer, or the woman at the top that has the answer. What you do have to always do is have the dialogue around sales always is number one. Not what Kardashian is on Twitter saying or some headline on the newspaper. That doesn't make you money. All that makes money is talking about selling.